Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video we are in a Porsche Cayenne, which you can see has the airbag light illuminated on the dashboard here, and we are going to demonstrate this warning message on warning light being diagnosed and being reset with this iCarsoft CR Pro kit. Now the CR Pro kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. So we have one end of the tool plugged into the CR Pro kit, and the other end of this cable here is plugged into the diagnostic port, which is underneath the steering wheel there. And these are the options that you will see on screen. I'm going to do a separate video showing you all of the options available with this tool on a Porsche Cayenne, but for now we're just going to focus on the airbag light. So what we need to do is click into Diagnostics. Obviously it's not a touch screen, you need to use the menu buttons here. So we'll click onto Diagnostics, click enter, and we're just going to go through the motions of selecting our specific manufacturer. So we're looking for Porsche, and there it is. And then it's going to ask us to select our specific vehicle. So we have a 2013 Porsche Cayenne, which is this one here, 92A. Click enter. I'm going to manually select the system in which we wish to diagnose. They put the main systems towards the top of the list. So here we are, and we can see number 4 is what we need, airbag. So we'll click onto airbag, and then it's going to go ahead and give us an option to read fault code. So I'll click onto enter, and it's giving us one fault code, 1 of 1, and it states B100B1B, driver's side airbag, limit value exceeded. So we've checked the connections underneath the driver's seat. The driver's side is the right hand side in this particular circumstance. We've checked the connections, and there was a loose yellow connector underneath the driver's seat. It's sort of towards the back of the seat. What you need to do is push the seat forward to get access to all of the connections, but there's a little yellow airbag connection that was loose. We've put it back together, but the airbag light still shows on the dashboard, and that's why you really need these tools to first of all find out where the fault is, and then secondly, once you've fixed the fault, you need to reset the fault and get rid of the airbag light. So we can click back here, we can click onto clear fault memory, and it's going to give us one message. Now when I click enter here, just keep an eye on the airbag light right there. Erase operation done on screen, and you can see the airbag light has gone. So that's all thanks to the iCarsoft CR Pro kit. It covers all of the Porsche makes and models, but it also covers other makes and models as well. So let's say for example you have a Porsche in your house, you also have an Audi, a Vauxhall, a Fiat, Alfa, Peugeot. I'm just going to scroll through them all now for you, but it really does cover a wide range of vehicles, and it's all thanks to the iCarsoft CR Pro, how we're able to do this on our own driveways instead of basically taking it to a garage or workshop. Now the kit is available, as I say, at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this car tech video.